All right, wrestled the new switch in. We've tried it. I got our lock cylinder in. Everything lights up when it should. And both accessory and run. Let's try to get her to fire up. Well, it stays running, which is a benefit over where we were.
Yeah.
It still hangs the starter, so we're gonna have to dig into that.
Thinking shims maybe?
Shim is, well, he brought a shim.
Okay.
We'll have to get it back on the lift when we get the lift clear. I'm gonna drive this right now.
Okay.
I wanna see if it's still cutting voltage. Because
Right.
if it is, then we can start chasing up there.
Ooh, your face is so big. Yes, Daddy.
Oh my God. All right, so let's go for a little spinny spin.
Okay, and we will see you guys
In a second. So we're up and running, as you saw. I'm just gonna turn it off and on a couple times.
Yeah, I'm thinking that shim may be needed.
Yes, so we'll dig into that next. But it seems to be starting fine,
Yeah?
as opposed to before where it would work when it wanted to. So now,
Oh, like some of our old employees. E-brake, if any?
I don't think it works. Which doesn't shock me. Let's see if when we go for a drive, if it has voltage issues like it did with the old switch. Because remember, it'd be spitting and popping and shooting ducks. Just being all around stupid. Okay. Oh.
She already seems better.
Yeah, that seemed better than prior.
You appear to be good on my end.
I don't know.
I know, you're as cautious as I am with customer cars.
That was
Was
operator
error? Oh, God, yeah. So much better. Ooh, she's actually got some pep.
Yeah.
I'm pretty impressed.
Well, we did change it to the 340 gear from what, a broken 280?
Yeah.
Whatever. Yeah, you see, you'd lug it down like that before,
Yeah.
and it wouldn't do shit. See, I try to be cautious with people's clutches, and it ends up effing me in the A. Oh yeah, look at that. That was
And in
down.
third.
In third, watch. That's fourth, lugged down. We would be shooting ducks.
Oh, yeah, no, I remember.
All right, so that ignition switch was definitely not having it. Okay, we were way woed up. And way.
God, this is so much nicer.
Okay, this is fifth. This is overdrive.
Overdrive, dear.
And we're going like
20?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely downshift a little bit. I'd say give it one more around the block. Let's see how she does. And is that fourth?
That's fourth.
Wow. So
Up
much
into
nice.
fifth.
This ride's so nice.
Gee, I wonder why. You just did leaf springs.
Right? And shocks and
All kinds.
rubber
It
bushings.
does need a right front shock though. It is leaking.
Yeah. Which we kind of had a feeling of.
Okay, that's fourth from a total lug.
Wow. So much better.
Let's go down a red light. Let's see how it does in
Yeah, let's give her some traffic run.
real world.
Yeah?
I mean, it's way happier than
Oh, I trust no drivers around here anymore.
No.
Not after my Jaguar being hit. Wow.
And I wasn't even on the throttle for a second.
Oh, damn!
And I'm like quarter throttle. Fourth,
Wow.
fifth. Fifth gear, going with the flow of traffic, just petering along. I can't say anything bad now. We still gotta do the alignment because it's off. Because apparently the alignment guy's not smart enough to know how to adjust the tire rods. But it's that same idiot that took the GTO too. Flipping up the inch. No power steering. No issues.
She's good. And ladies and
Drivability
gentlemen,
is restored.
yep,
All it was the ignition switch.
yep, we are running out of room on the phone, so I'll have Bobby download so we can get another video. And on that note,
All we gotta do, real quick, I mean, it won't be real quick, but we gotta figure out that starter issue.
yep,
We gotta work, and notice it's running cooler now too.
Yep.
One thing, because it was getting super hot when it was. So we need to see how it is in the heat of the day
Yeah.
as well. But
So-
it's going.
ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls, we'll let you go. We'll see you at the shop.